Hello, this is Doug Bush of Doug Bush Visual Designs and the Drill Dojo. I have 40 years of visual design experience designing for my own bands and others. I've spent the last 20 years teaching marching band techniques and drill design at the college level. Through my years in the activity, I found that most drill design workshops tend to deal more with software like Piware than the actual design process. This has led me to develop creative ways of engaging discussion about design and to provide materials to help generate ideas for the participants. My 100% online Drill Dojo Visual Design Workshop will take place June 27 through 30. It will utilize the Zoom platform and the cost is just $200. The workshop is organized to walk the participant through the entire process using my own practices and those I've learned from others as a blueprint. Topics covered but not limited to: creativity and where do ideas come from. We have to start and jumpstart the creative process. Getting organized, the field is a stage, staging elements, basic movement, breaking things down to where you're looking at just solving part of the problem instead of being overwhelmed. What happens if I rotate this group of people? Levels of design, adapted from a presentation by George Zangali. A logic in design, the application of Molly Bang's book, Picture This, how pictures work. You ever see a design, you go, wow, that works perfectly with the music. There are reasons that when we look at pictures, they communicate certain things to us and make us have certain feelings. Getting started, the opening set, creating motion, managing level of demand and design, and communicating with performers and staff. So how do we organize our instructions, our charts, and our coordinate sheets? This workshop is carefully constructed using tried and true tested presentations that I regularly update. This is not simply time spent with someone riffing on how they write drill. The presentations are designed to lead to group discussion and problem solving for direct application of concepts. Participants are given time to share and then workshop ideas as a group and one-on-one with me. Participants are encouraged to use the workshop as a way of starting their fall show design. For more information or to register, visit DougBushVisualDesigns.com and look for the Drill Dojo Visual Design Workshop.